Hello to all users and developers. Welcome back to Scora platform. In this session, we will see how to change our current theme and edit our selected theme. To change your current theme, we have to click on this Open Theme Library. Just click on this button and you will see these are the themes we have. To select some other one, just click on Choose Theme. And now preview show, you can see our selected theme is this. For more, you can just go to Dashboard and check your live preview. And this is the show we selected. Now we will select back what we selected before, this one, Spiral Fashion. Okay, as you can see, the theme is changed. Now, how to edit this current theme? To edit our theme, just click on Edit Current Theme, and you will see the editing platform. Now, to change it, you can see there are layout of our page: Hero Session, Heritage, Feature Prices, Collection Grid, Client Stories, Wizard and Appointments. Header and footers are default, you cannot change them. So let's start for Hero Session. This is the Hero Session settings. Click on this and you can see there are all the text headings you can change here. As for this small heading, we will set here Spiral Mason since 2019. So as you can see, our text is changed here. As for changing the text of color, just click on this custom color so you can select the color and change its property like this. And here, when you double click on this, you can see the color palette is open. To change the color, you can just change it to this, or you can pick color from this. As you want to set it this color, just click on it and you can see the color is changed. As for headings, you can change the color of headings too, like this one, and this one turn it to pure black. Now you can also change the background color to here. Custom styling, there are three types: text, background, buttons. Now if you select a text, when you double click on the text, you can change text color. If you select background and now click on the background color change looks like this, and you can also pick the color for this here. And as for this, you can change it to, okay, it is changing background color. Yeah, now click on text, here it is. Now if you want to change the text color, now turn it to a bit light here. As you can see, the color is changed. Now how to change the button color? To change button color, just click on button and now click on this button. To change this color, you can just pick this color and you can see the color of the button is also changed. Now back to text. Now how to change this text too? Okay, I will change this too. Okay, now it is looking better. The changes will save auto, but you can save it too to make sure it is saved. Okay, page is saved. Now, as for images, these are slides and there are default images, and you can add max 4 images. So if you want to change and add new images, just add 4 images and now upload. There is first one. Now this second image, third image, and this fourth, the last image. Now as you can see, the images are updated, and in the slideshow the new image will appear instead of the default images. As you can see, here it is. Now there are other options too, like client story section. Here it is, the client story section. You can change this client story sessions too, like you can set it just reviews. Yes, reviews, and you can change its color too. Just double click on it and change your color, change the color whatever you want, and you can change the text of this to this, and also change the text by these sections. Now there are other options too for other sections, like visit appointment. There are, here it is, you can change it to just change the text and color like we did it before. Now how to add a new section? Let's say if you want to change this header, or you want to change some other hero session, just click on add session, and there it is. These are the all sessions that are available in this theme we are selected. For other, you can just click on global marketplace. These are the hero sessions we have. Just check this one. Yeah, yeah. As you can see, the new hero session is appeared here at the bottom. To keep it up, just drag in this layout page, just drag it to here. Yes, now as you can see, this is our main hero session. As for this one, you can just delete on it, just clicking on this delete button. Here it is. Now this is our theme. The previous color applied on it. To change them, you can also change its color too by clicking on custom to change background color. Background color will set it to white and change the other colors to like, as for text we will set it pick color and just this. And you can see our color is changed. As for this, you can also change images to here like this, and here it is. Here is session image, choose file. If you want this, just open it, and as you can see, these images appear here. This is how you can change and edit your theme. And now back to dashboard. Here it is. Now quick overview of the dashboard. Here it is. You can see your total sales, online sessions, conversion rate, and total orders. You can check your analytics of today, last 7 days and 30 days. There will the graph will appear if you have any sales and other things. We will continue more tutorials in next videos. Thanks for watching.